Welcome to AutoMaster, where you get the most exclusive, luxurious, and high-performance car reviews in full detail. Today, we're talking about a beast that's not just an SUV, but a statement of power, prestige, and presence. This is the 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63 Mansory Gronos 900, a modified masterpiece that blends elite class with extreme performance from every angle. The Mercedes-AMG G63 is already a legendary off-road luxury SUV, but when it receives the Mansory treatment, it enters a completely different league. The Mansory Gronos 900 is essentially a heavily customized version of the AMG G63, offering the ultimate blend of design, performance, and exclusivity. In the 2025 model, Mansory has made the G63's traditional boxy yet bold design even more aggressive and sporty. The front fascia now looks wider and more muscular, featuring a full carbon fiber bonnet, a blacked-out grille, and stunning signature LED DRLs. Mansory's custom-forged carbon fiber components are fitted all around, including the front and rear bumpers, wheel arches, and side skirts, giving the SUV an aerodynamic edge. The 24-inch forged wheels boost the vehicle's road presence to an entirely new level. A roof-mounted LED light bar and quad exhaust setup make the rear look wild yet luxurious. The custom build comes in bold exterior colors like matte black or stealth gray, with carbon fiber detailing that gives the SUV a fierce identity, one that rivals even supercars. Moving to the interior, Mansory has turned the G63 Gronos 900's cabin into a royal suite. You'll find full Nappa leather upholstery with diamond stitching and carbon fiber trim throughout. The seats are fully customized with heating, cooling, massage functions, and Mansory's unique embroidery. The ambient lighting system gives the cabin an ultra-premium lounge feel. It also features a central infotainment system, a fully digital instrument cluster, Burmester 3D surround sound system, and smartphone integration, turning this performance monster into a tech-savvy luxury fortress. But the real magic lies under the hood. The Mansory Gronos 900 is equipped with a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that delivers a staggering 900 horsepower and approximately 1,200 Nm of torque. This performance boost is made possible by Mansory's special tuning package, which includes a performance ECU remap, larger turbos, and a high-flow exhaust system. The SUV can sprint from 0 to 100 km/h in just 3.3 seconds, a mind-blowing figure for any sports car, and even more impressive for a vehicle of this size and weight. The top speed is electronically limited to around 250 km/h, but in reality, the performance potential exceeds that limit. The SUV features a 9-speed AMG SpeedShift TCT automatic transmission and the AMG Performance 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system, ensuring maximum traction, lightning-fast gear shifts, and full control on any terrain, be it city streets or off-road trails. The suspension system include Mansory's custom-tuned adaptive damping technology, which provides the perfect balance between ride comfort and handling. The estimated price for the 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63 Mansory Gronos 900 starts around $550,000, but with custom options and special trims, it can easily exceed $650,000. But at that price point, you're not just buying an SUV, you're owning a limited edition, high-performance luxury lifestyle symbol. The exclusivity, handcrafted detailing, and sheer road dominance are what make this vehicle truly special. If you're among those who don't just want to drive a car, but a legacy, the 2025 Mansory Gronos 900 is made for you. It's built for those who love being in the spotlight and demand both luxury and power in their ultimate form. Every inch of this SUV is bespoke, a creation that deserves to be on the road, or perhaps even in a museum. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AutoMaster, where we bring you honest and exclusive reviews of the world's rarest and most extraordinary vehicles. See you in the next video with another masterpiece.